Hey there, gadget gurus. Have you ever wondered what makes computers so clever? It's all thanks to something called programming. Think of it like giving the computer a set of instructions to follow, like a super detailed recipe. But here's the thing. There are two main ways computers can be clever, like regular programs and something extra amazing called AI, or artificial intelligence. Today we're going on a wild ride to discover the difference between these two techie wonders. Let's start with regular computer programs. These are like the super organized chefs of the computer world. They follow instructions to the letter. Imagine a calculator. You type in 2 plus 2 and it instantly spits out 4. That's because it has a fixed set of rules programmed into it, telling it exactly what to do with those numbers. These rules are written in special languages that computers understand, like lines of code. It's like giving the computer a step-by-step guide for every situation. Yep, it's all about precision and following those instructions perfectly. Now, regular programs are great at following instructions, but they have a funny quirk. They can get confused by surprises. Think about trying to teach a computer to recognize a cat in a picture. Sounds easy, right? But cats come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. They can be curled up asleep, stretching like furry acrobats, or even hiding their faces. It would take a huge number of rules to describe every single possibility to a computer. And that's where things get really interesting. Section 4, AI to the rescue, learning from loads of examples. That's where AI comes in, like a super smart detective. Instead of being given strict rules, AI learns from experience just like we do. Feed an AI tons of pictures of cats, and it starts to spot patterns, fluffy ears, pointy tails, those mischievous eyes, all by itself. It's like showing a friend a million photos of cats. Eventually, they'd be able to spot one in a flash, even without you telling them all the rules. Section 5, recipes versus master chefs, a tasty analogy. Let's imagine baking cookies to understand this better. A regular program is like following a cookie recipe word for word. It'll make perfect cookies every time, but only if you follow the recipe exactly. Now, AI is like a master chef learning to bake. They might start with a recipe, but then experiment by adding a pinch of this or a dash of that. They learn from each attempt, becoming better and better at baking delicious cookies, even inventing new kinds. Section 6, best of both worlds. Programs and AI working together. So, which is better, regular programs or AI? Well, it's like comparing apples and oranges. They're both awesome in their own ways. Regular programs are fantastic for tasks that need precise instructions, like calculations or controlling traffic lights. AI is perfect for things that are trickier to explain with rules, like understanding language, recognizing faces, or even driving cars. The real magic happens when they team up, combining their strengths to create even more amazing things. Section 7. Join us next time for more AI adventures. That's it for our whirlwind tour of regular programs and amazing AI. We've learned how computers can be clever in different ways, from following instructions like pros to learning and adapting like super smart detectives. But hold on to your hats, tech explorers, because the world of AI is full of even more exciting discoveries. See you in the next AI adventure.